In today's video, I am going to teach you how to redirect users after a Wix form submission. Start by going to the Wix website and signing into your account. Once you are logged in, open the website where you want to add the redirect. From your dashboard, click Design Site to enter the Wix editor. Inside the editor, you will first need a form on the page. Click the Add button, then go to Contact and Forms and choose Wix Forms. Select a full Wix form and place it on your page. If your page already has a Wix form added, you can simply click the existing form instead. Once the form is selected, look for the Settings option and open it. This is where you can control what happens after someone fills out and submits the form. In the Settings panel, find the section labeled After Submit or the Confirmation Settings. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the version of the editor you are using, but the goal is to reach the form submission behavior options. By default, the form may show a confirmation message after submission. Click that confirmation option and change it to a redirect action. In Wix, this may appear as redirect to page or go to URL. If you want to send visitors to another page on your own website, choose the page redirect option and select the page you want. If you want to send them to an outside website, paste the full external link into the URL field. After setting the destination, make sure your changes are saved or applied. This confirms that the form will now redirect users instead of only showing a confirmation message. Next, click Preview to test everything before publishing. Submit the form yourself and make sure the redirect works correctly. It is also a good idea to switch between the desktop and mobile views while previewing so you can confirm that the form behaves properly on both versions of your site. When you are satisfied with the result, click Publish to make the update live on your website. After that, anyone who submits the form will be taken directly to the page or link you selected. This is a simple way to guide visitors to a thank you page, a booking page, a download link, or any other destination you want them to see after submitting a form. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.